Hello and welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here we are again at the Cordoba Postal and Recreation Center. Right there. Pickleball courts, family swimming pool, and yes, your new Courtyard Villas located here at Villa Marbella. Today's another update video. I wanted to show you the status of those new Courtyard Villas. I wanted to take a quick walk through this park though, just to give you an idea of how beautiful these live oak trees are. Soon I will walk over to those new Courtyard Villas and I'll give you an update. They are making some progress this week on them, and I wanted to show you what that progress is. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. For those that are new to the channel, what you see in front of you there is the Hacienda Hills, a championship golf course. And you can see on the Courtyard Villas, they are putting the fences up. They have workers putting the black fence in the backyards. And I will show you that in a minute. You can probably see it already, that workers are putting the fences on. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below when you plan on moving to the villages. And if you're going to buy one of these Courtyard Villas. Good morning, how are you? Good. You see the fences are going on. Beautiful. Thanks for liking. I think that's an aluminum fence in the backyard. To give you the visibility to the golf course right there. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I was here a little bit earlier and these fences were just laying on the grass. And I went to the store to pick up some items for my new camera, and they are assembling, and they are screwing the fence right into the concrete wall. And here I am an hour later, and these fences are up. An hour ago, these fences were just laying on the grass. So these are your finishing touches to your new Courtyard Villas here in the Villa Marbella in the village of Hacienda in the Villages, Florida. Let me know in the comments below which one of these villas you picked out. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. These are new Courtyard Villa homes. They have not yet been listed for sale. I've been told these most likely will be listed for sale sometime by the end of November. My guess is they'll be listed for sale next week. But who knows? Nobody knows. So these are your fences. They are made out of metal. I think it's aluminum, but I'm not sure. It's a black fence. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. Sunny. I think it's going to be around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit today. And the finishing touches are putting on. Oh, there are people working inside that home. There are cleaners. There's a woman in there with cleaning materials. She is cleaning the inside of that home. It'll be spotless. Here's a courtyard villa with a swimming pool. Most of these courtyard villas that are facing the golf course are Winslow models. They're a little bit larger in square footage. You do have a Charlotte model right there. And the one next to it is also a Charlotte model. Those are medium-sized homes. So you have two Charlotte models and the rest are Winslow models facing the golf course. I did a video a couple of days ago. I walked through the neighborhood. I was on the street and I showed you all the different model homes they have. They have Durham models in there as well. And the best strategy, as I discussed before, is work with Village's real estate agent. And if you want a higher probability of obtaining one of these homes, see, this home here has the fence on the side as well. Notice that. It has the swimming pool, it has the bird cage, and it has the metal fence on the side. So you can sit in your lanai and you can look out to the side and you can see the putting green view right there. For those new to my update videos, they do have a driving net. You can practice your driving right there. You can see and you can hear somebody swinging and hitting the ball right over there where the golf cart is. So those new to the channel, this is the former site of the Hacienda Hills Country Club. The developer demolished and constructed 24 brand new courtyard villas here in the northern part of the Villages. It's very rare that you have an opportunity to buy a brand new home in the northern part of the Villages. Most of the new homes are being constructed in the southern part of the Villages. These courtyard villas are located very close to Spanish Springs Town Square. They're close to Tierra del Sol Country Club. Oh, they have some workers there doing some concrete work on the lanai area. And the building you see there with the tiled roof, that is the Hacienda Hills Golf Club. It is a much smaller version. That is really only a golf club and a sales shop. There is no food in there. I spoke to an individual who said they cannot buy food there, but you can buy some clothing items. You can check in for your rounds of golf. There on the championship golf course as well, they did put new palm trees in. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and that is the beautiful championship golf course. Let me know in the comments below which one of these homes you like. And what are you waiting for? When are you going to move to the Villages? There is some drainage in the back of the homes. There's even drainage in the yards of these homes. You can see there. That reduces the risk of flooding. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. Leave in the comments below what kind of video content you want me to bring. I did a video yesterday about a possible new Street of Dreams down in the village of Well Point. That's in the newer part of the villages. Check that video out. I appreciate it. And thank you for the subscriber who sent me a map. I will take a look at that map, and I most likely will use that map to do a future video to kind of clarify things in terms of where the model homes are in the south in Well Point. I most likely will do a video next weekend. Unless I get an urge, I'll do it this week, but I will use the map. I appreciate it. There, a gentleman golfing on the championship golf course here in the Villages, Florida. I'll take you around to the other side and I will show you the street view, just to give you an idea of what the street looks like. You do see contracting trucks inside that community yet. They are doing their finishing touches. They're doing cleaning. They're doing paint finishing and touch-up work. They're doing some touch-up to the electrical as well. The Villages makes sure these homes are in pristine condition when you buy them. And if they're not, they will address the issues that you have very quickly, is what I've been told. Yeah, they're working on the fences here. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. There's your beautiful championship golf course. It is a beautiful Thanksgiving week. Happy Monday, everyone. Hacienda Hills Golf Club, Palms. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I'll take you around the front of the home, or front of this neighborhood, and show you the street view. And that will be your Monday update. Anytime I'm in the area, I will provide you with an update. I'll provide more frequent updates until these homes are listed or sold. So there is your street view. There is your model homes. There you have them. You still have a few contractors in here. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.